Starting an LLC? Congratulations, it's an exciting step toward launching your business. But where do you start? With so many details to handle, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why I've created a free LLC checklist to make sure you get everything done the right way without any headaches. Let's dive in. First up, choosing the perfect name for your LLC. Your name needs to be unique and compliant with your state's rules. Check your state's business name database to make sure your desired name isn't already taken. And don't forget to include LLC or limited liability company in the name to meet legal requirements. Next, file your articles of organization. This is the document that officially registers your LLC with the state. You'll typically file this with your Secretary of State's office, and there may be a filing fee, which varies by state. An operating agreement is essential, even if your state doesn't require it. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, the roles of each member, and how profits and losses will be distributed. Now let's talk about getting an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. This is your business's ID with the IRS, and you'll need it to hire employees, open a bank account, or file taxes. The good news? It's free to apply on the IRS website. With your EIN in hand, it's time to open a business bank account. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is crucial for protecting your liability and maintaining clean financial records. By following these steps, you're setting your LLC up for success. Don't forget to download your free LLC checklist to stay organized as you go through the process. The link is in the description below.